Hello, I'm Vaughan Kirby, and today we're going to talk about what's happening in the Senate. I'm holding in my hand the American Job Creation and Investment Reform Act of 2015. It is co-sponsored, bipartisan, by both the Democratic and the Republican member of the Senate, Mr. Leahy and Mr. Grassley. Now, there are a lot of very complex provisions, but I thought today I'd briefly talk about the ones that may in fact impact you. Now, you probably read that the investment amount is proposed to go up. Now, if this were to pass as it's written today, the regional center investment would go to $800,000, and the non-regional center investment would go to $1.2 million. Now, something important to point out here. According to the law as it is written now, if the regional center you selected had exemplar approval at $500,000, your investment would remain $500,000. So that means that $500,000 investment in EB-5 may continue for some time. But we're not home free yet with this bill, something that you need to be aware of. One of the provisions in this bill is on what is called the source of funds. As you may know, you must show that the funds that you are using to invest in EB-5 are from a lawful source. In the past, the proof has been very rational. Under this bill, they are implying that they're going to require up to 7 years tax returns in order to prove the legality of your funds. They're also going to limit who can make a gift to another person in order to do an EB-5 investment. So all of these things may impact you. So you may be able to get under the 500,000 number, but you may have much more difficulty under the source of funds requirements of this bill. Now, understand that this is a proposed bill at this point. There are going to be a lot of negotiations going on. Some things are going to be added to the bill, some things are going to be taken away. The only thing I can offer you to take away from our discussion today is if EB-5 is important to you, don't wait until after this bill becomes law, because we just don't know what's going to happen. Anyone that tells you they know, they're not telling you the truth. We don't know how this law is going to look after September 30th. The only thing we know is what exists today, and it's my recommendation to my clients that if EB-5 is important to them, that they take action now. I hope this was helpful to you.